guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to write a one-page business plan for your business. So here are 8 elements that should be in your one-page business plan. The first element we have here is the problem. Your products or services are definitely trying to solve some sort of problem. So this is where you state it down. You write this as brief as possible. The second element we have is the solution. Now this is where you talk about your products and services and how they actually solve the problem that you have stated. So the third element is your business model. The business model talks about how your company is going to make money from your products or services. So this is where you also include your production cost and basically everything that you need to start and run your business. The fourth element we have is your target market. Who are your products and services for? So this is where you write what kind of customers that your products and services are designed for. The fifth element we have is a competitive advantage. What makes your product and services unique? Talk about those things that make you stand out when compared to your competitors or people in the same sector as you are. The sixth element is your management team. The management team basically shows your management structure. What kind of staff are you going to be employing, or what kind of staff are currently available for your business? What kind of staff would you need to run your business? So this is where you write this down. The seventh element is your financial summary. So traditional financial summary talks about your cash flow, your balance sheets and things like that. So guys, this is a one-page business plan. You can't do that here. So what you can do here is to write a sentence and use ratios to illustrate what your financial summary is talking about. And finally, we have the funding required. Let this be as clear as possible. How much is it going to cost to actually start your business and run your business? So this is where you write how much money you need from your investors. So I'll be linking some templates in the description box below that you can use in writing your own one-page business plan. So you can check this out as well. That's so much I have for you in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Just before you go, don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked what I shared, and also hit the subscribe button to support this channel. Thank you and see you in my next video. Goodbye.